Good afternoon, folks. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back on African Crypto Media for this other edition of Literature, your favorite web TV, which doesn't cease from giving you programs and updating you about all what's blockchain, cryptocurrency, and digital economy. Today, for our Literature edition, we are following up again and again with the book Le Modèle SIM, entitled How to Become a Crypto Millionaire. And for this occasion, we have a special guest, somebody who you would love to get entertained with, somebody we couldn't cease, we couldn't let go of while talking about such a book. So see you right after this short video on the description of our model.
Le CIO de Global Investment Trading, Émile Parfait Sim, ne tarit pas d'idées ingénieuses tous les jours de sa vie. Il ne se limite pas seulement à produire dans son disque dur cérébral, qui s'exprime certainement en Terra. Il a beaucoup d'audace. C'est cette audace accompagnée d'une bonne aura qu'il distille autour de lui. Sa cible privilégiée est la jeunesse. Cette jeunesse qu'il veut sortir des sentiers battus du travail conventionnel, du fonctionnariat. Il veut une jeunesse qui se prend en charge, celle qui est inventive et audacieuse.
Ça, c'est le livre du millionnaire. C'est le livre du millénaire. Tous ceux qui prendront le temps de lire ce livre, de faire une lecture littéraire, deviendront riches dans les 2 prochaines années. Alors, à toi, mon cher Aristide, puis ce livre t'apporter beaucoup de savoir et connaissances afin que tu deviennes un crypto millionnaire.
Il aime à le dire, votre seul obstacle sur le chemin de la réussite, c'est vous-même. Son leitmotiv, osez réussir. La réussite n'est plus qu'un simple horizon, mais la réalité prégnante dans laquelle vivent de nombreux jeunes crypto-millionnaires qui prennent exemple sur le modèle SIM.
Notre modèle qui ne manque pas d'idées ingénieuses. Ces mots dont nous reviendrons là-dessus après, mais d'abord, nous allons à la rencontre de notre invité. Bonsoir, monsieur. Bienvenue sur les plateaux de African Crypto Media.
Bonsoir, ma chère Mariam, et merci de me recevoir sur votre plateau. C'est un plaisir.
Ok, thank you very much. Monsieur, nous vous connaissons en tant que journaliste, manager, mais ce soir, nous vous recevons sur ces plateaux en tant que philosophe. Est-ce que vous pouvez nous dire comment est-ce que vous faites cet accord entre cryptomane, parce que vous l'êtes aussi déjà, entre être cryptomane et philosophe, parce que nous savons bien que la philosophie est un sujet déjà qui étudie des questions fondamentales sur l'existence, la raison et l'esprit. Comment vous mettez l'accord entre ces choses-là?
Alors, c'est déjà une étiquette lourde de sens que de dire que vous êtes philosophe. Je suis un amoureux de la sagesse. Et la crypto-monnaie m'a séduit sur le chemin de la vie. Et j'ai été pris au piège du modèle SIM, dont nous parlerons, je l'espère, au cours de cette émission. Pris au piège, je suis devenu un heureux crypto-millionnaire, seulement en suivant le modèle SIM. La philosophie ne s'oppose pas à la vie. Certes, philosopher d'abord, mais vivre ensuite. Primo philosophare, dende vivare.
Wow, these should be some strong words, but sir, you know, you're actually crushing into my that question, because you talk about you becoming a crypto millionaire. But then my second question was to know from the chapter 9, The Secret of Money, there's this noteworthy phrase from Napoleon Hill's book, which says that think and be rich. He says down, the writer of the book, who's Dr. Momi from Bakonji, he says that if you have a good idea and you don't constantly be there of your thought, if you had a good idea but only you constantly ameliorate this idea of yours, then you'll be rich. What can our philosophers say about this visioning sentence?
Yes, the most important thing to know in our life is that you are your thought. You are what you think. If you think you are a loser, obviously you will become a loser.
Oh, damn.
If you think you are a winner, success will come into your life. The way you think, not only think, but you act is the thing you become. Then it is very important, not only as far as money is concerned, but as far as the whole life is concerned.
All right.
Start thinking good things, having good ideas, having good purposes, and you will accomplish that issues.
That's meaning that positive vibes actually attract positive vibes around you, and negative vibes do attract negative vibes. Now you want to be a positive, and with a positive energy, therefore start thinking positive, says our philosopher here. Well, does it mean that Mr. Emile Parfait Sim, from the words of this description from the video, does it mean that he's a pool of constant good idea because, you know, he's got companies and they're constantly well drained?
As I was saying a few minutes ago, I was really impressed when I met Mr. Sim. He's always providing by ideas, good ideas. And not only ideas, but it's putting into practice every ideas which come into his mind. Wow. And that is what he asked to all his collaborators to do. When you have an idea, don't stick with that idea just as an idea. Transform the idea, put it into practice. That's why I was really impressed. You know, philosopher has been described as people who are living in the moon. But in reality, philosopher has their feet on the field. Okay? Wow. If you would like to be a good philosopher, you would not only be a good thinker, but a good actor in the life.
You know, I always had this idea of philosophers who, I always thought that they're people who has to do with, I don't know, metaphysics, but this idea of metaphysics that I had, it was like sorcery or something like that.
Witchcraft, you would like to say?
Yes, witchcraft. So, does it have to do with this, or?
No, metaphysics has nothing to do with witchcraft, okay? Witchcraft is something bad, which people are trying to practice and to come with evils in the life. But metaphysics is the way of thinking with your soul, because thoughts come from soul. Unless people change their way of thinking, they cannot change their way of living.
Therefore, it takes us to the conclusion that Mr. Sim should be somebody who thinks from his soul, because he constantly has good ideas and he puts them into practice, isn't it?
Yeah, what is important with the model Sim is the idea of transmitting his thought, his way of thinking, positive attitude, positive thinking to other people. And what is more impressive is his aim to bring other people to become millionaire, crypto millionaire, as he is himself. I've told you a few minutes ago that in a few times, I've become a crypto millionaire.
This is really amazing. So,
but not ask people to come and ask me money, but come and ask me the secret to become a millionaire, a crypto millionaire.
Okay, that was actually my third question, but my last question is, you know, Mr. Sim, he always work around with young people. That's actually his aim and his aim of action, if I can say. He actually drain young people into his environs. What advice can you give to young Cameroonians, Africans?
Yes, I will give that advice in both languages, French and English. I will start in English language.
Okay.
Okay. you should know that you are the only impediment in the road of your own success. There is no easy road to success, but you should be focused on what you have decided to do and follow the way. Being helped by people who have experience. On grounds of my experience, you cannot go far unless you change bad way of thinking. La même chose, je dirais aux francophones, aux French speaking.
Yeah, French speakers.
La manière dont vous concevez votre existence est ce que vous devenez. Si vous pensez que vous êtes un perdant ou un raté, cela va se réaliser dans votre vie. Mais si vous pensez que quelque chose peut changer pour vous, moi j'ai rencontré l'auteur de ce livre, qui est le docteur Moumi de Bakundi, qui a écrit sur M. Sim. Ensuite, j'ai eu le privilège de discuter avec M. Sim. J'ai vu l'osmose qui existait entre l'auteur et, n'est-ce pas, le personnage qui est décrit. Ce personnage, sa vie est réelle. Il sort d'un environnement de pauvreté, mais il ne s'est pas mis à pleurnicher toute sa vie. Il a transformé par sa pensée et ses actions l'environnement. Il vous invite à le rejoindre dans cette aventure qui est merveilleuse, devenir crypto-millionnaire. Mais c'est en fait devenir millionnaire, sauf que vous êtes millionnaire avec de la monnaie digitale.
Wow. Il vous invite donc à devenir crypto-millionnaire, une monnaie digitale. C'est mon nous mène à la fin de notre édition littérature. On vous dit très bientôt et si jamais vous êtes connecté pour voir cet épisode de littérature, n'oubliez pas de partager au maximum parce que l'information, vous savez, ici à African Crypto Media, c'est le pouvoir. On vous dit à très bientôt, à la semaine prochaine pour un autre épisode de littérature. Goodbye.